Another edition of MTA Queensland's weekly newsletter. A big shout out to any Socceroos fans out there. Obviously, the World Cup so far has gone pretty well for Australia. Uh, State of Origin last night. Let's leave it at that. I'll let either side celebrate or commiserate. In terms of other automotive related news, the Commonwealth Government has a number of significant policy reviews and reforms underway at the moment. The right to repair legislation, many of those who are independent mechanics or new franchise dealers know all about this. This is about providing manufacturer data, repair data, available to a broader range of repairers than just dealerships. Well, the Commonwealth's proposing to extend that scheme into the agricultural sector. So there's consultations underway now. If you're in that sector, we'd love to hear from you. We have surveys out and about. We'll be meeting with our own divisional committees soon to talk about those reforms. And later today, I'll be appearing at the Commonwealth Treasury consultation in regards to those right to repair proposals. So pretty interesting a time. It's very, very meaningful legislation. In other news, again at the Commonwealth level, but it impacts on all of our members, the Commonwealth's exploring the potential to extend franchise protection laws into the small business sector. You would have read lots about in our industry the famous Mercedes case and the imbalance of power between OEMs and franchisees. So this is about extending those protections to smaller business. It relates to a commitment the Prime Minister made personally at an automotive AADA forum earlier this year. So let's hope that is seen through. Now, if you're a member business, we've got surveys out there at the moment. Now, the reason I specifically mention this, what makes our submissions better are real life examples. We can make sure no names are shown, but if you've got actual case studies, examples of where an OEM has overused its power in relation to your business, we would love to hear from you. Give us a call, email us, respond to the survey. The real chance to make our proposal rich and ensure the reforms meet the needs of your business. In other news, last week's video, I'm sure you all watched it. I introduced you to Ben Swan. Well, next week we will be in Cairns, where you can come along and get an absolute detailed, knowledgeable briefing on the key issues in industrial relations at the moment. Fantastic opportunity for Cairns businesses. We'd love to see you all. It's part of the Industry Workplace Advisor Program, which of course is a collaboration between Motor Trades Association of Queensland and the Queensland Government. We're really proud of this program, but we want you to come along and get a real benefit for your business. I can't wait to see you there, and certainly come along, learn, and who knows, we might have a drink at the end of it. I'll see you next Thursday.